In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace taillight assemblies on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located on the back of the vehicle. Let's get started. To gain access to remove our taillight assemblies, you're going to want to open the rear doors. And on the inner hinges, we are going to locate our two mounting screws, one on the bottom and one on the top. We're going to start off by removing our bottom screw. These are both T25 Torx screws. So break it loose. Set it aside. We'll do the same for our top screw. Now take hold of the headlight and pull it out of its retainers. Turn it around. And we have access to our connectors. Twist these counterclockwise to remove them. And slide them out. Release the harness from the retainers, just pull the wires out, and undo the last two connectors. Set the harness and bulbs aside, and there it is. Now let's install our taillight assembly. Put it in place. We're going to start off with our bottom bulb and move up. Insert it into the taillight assembly. Push down. Once it's flush, turn clockwise. Make sure it locks. Do the same for the other bulbs. Resecure the harness on these tabs. Just push down and line them up. We'll do the same for this clip as well. Once they're all installed, make sure they are secure. Now install it on the vehicle, align the mounting tabs, and push them in. Push in until the taillight sits flush. We're going to snug down our two T25 Torx screws. Do the same for the bottom one. And that completes our install. Go back inside the vehicle and verify all your taillight bulbs work. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.